Okay. The light switch is up. Fuck, I hope that works. Okay, we'll take that one off.
Sucker.
You son of a bitch. Okay, red one is there. White, the reds are here, and the whites on the bottom.
I think the red should go there.
Yeah, the switch is probably fucked. Well, no, but we don't know yet. Oh. Okay, hold on. So, we'll have to take this one off. Oh, okay, so the white one, red and white are on one side. And two black. What the fuck? Oh, that's only one black.
Yeah, one black.
Okay, so black goes on one. That would be ground, right? Yay!
Actually, I actually think fucking white is ground in this scenario.
Really?
I can't remember exactly how it works, but I think it's fucking backwards.
Well,
That's you're thinking of
okay.
alternating current,
Okay.
direct current.
No, I'm not thinking nothing. Okay, so what the fuck do we got here? So I wonder if we're gonna get shocked.
Usually looks like I'm welding.
Bitch. Okay. Why is there 3 wires here?
But that's what the other one had.
No, it only had one white.
Oh, you mean yeah.
I'm gonna touch it and see if it gets shocked.
No, but I'm sure
Oh,
if you
I
grabbed
won't.
like all of them together, you would. So probably don't. It's more or less just a tingling feeling.
Here. So I gotta put all 3 on the one.
Yeah, I think that runs. Which lights are you trying to power up here?
I just want to have a light switch.
Wait. There.
Who knows? Curtis said it's all hooked up, ready to go.
I don't know what lights are turning on though. There's none in
Me
here.
neither. Okay. Okay, here. He just said we could have a light switch. Okay. Let's hope one of them work. Oh, sorry. Okay.
You zap?
No, I don't know yet. Hold on. Okay.
I don't think you
So
will.
there's no way I can get zapped this way, right?
I don't think so. I think it's
Why
only
is
if you.
there 2 black ones? So red and white. Here, I got an idea. Well, I'll get hit here.
I almost would have. No, I almost would have kept them all twisted like that.
But how do you put them back on?
Pinch them in that little fucker there.
In here?
Yeah, like so. I'd like.
Okay,
So like that's a red.
This is red. Red
Yeah.
goes around. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That was pretty easy. And then just put them in here.
Yeah. I just tighten that bitch down. Yeah.
Tighten this motherfucker down.
Okay, and the way it was on the last one was the white.
Was the white on top or bottom?
It was here.
That what? Oh yeah, hold on. Okay, so
So I would twist those together again and try to pinch them in there because we don't know which
yeah, but
one.
we need the white though.
Yeah, all 3 of them.
But hey, how come the lights are still on?
Well, I don't know. I'm not too sure what lights they're trying to turn on here.
All of them.
Well, there's none here.
Yeah, there
And
is.
that- and-
The lights are on though.
Yeah, it's all.
I want to shut one off, shut one on. There.
Well, if it's on though.
Oh, you know. Hey, maybe we should phone Curtis.
He says he's with his girlfriend. Yeah, hey, look.
Okay. Oh, as long as we keep this main power switch on?
No, it's this one. No, sorry, this one.
Okay, shut them.
You only have one light.
I don't fucking know.
That's
Let
it.
me see, let's count them. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but there's no light.
Yeah, there's no light.
There's only
Oh,
one.
that one works. I just have to put what, a bulb back in.
Oh, fuck, okay. Well, you know what, Jason?
How the fuck do we have lights? How the fuck do we have lights when they're on?
I gotta shut this off.